Hi guys, welcome back to MartinTheVlogger YouTube channel. Today it's a video problem solving thing. We have a problem with this Can-Am Spyder F3S that we have in our tour and rental agency, tourson3.com. And the problem is when we go around 100 kilometers an hour, 60 miles per hour on a private road, and you hit the brakes, the whole front fender, it's shaking so much that it wants to fly away. Doesn't happen when you are 50 kilometers an hour and braking, so 30 miles per hour. It doesn't happen, no shaking is there when you are just riding without braking. It only happens when you start braking. Also, when you push the bike, is it released? I mean, you can hear those. I'm not sure if you can really hear it on a camera or in my mic. But of course, every time the rotors are touching brake pads. So the thing is, I'm recording a video that maybe some of you are having this issue. I have had this issue before. It's quite, I believe, common issue. So let's fix it. Let's hope it's that what we think. By the way, write it down in the comments. What do you think is the issue that the fender is trying to fly away when you apply brakes? Try to write it down. Now guys, enough of this bullshit. My guy Sebi will help me, so we will fix it right now. Oh, quite an easy fix. And who was guessing twisted rotors? You are right. Now, this is not a rocket science, but I remember, the reason why I'm recording this video is I remember back in 2016 when I first twisted my rotors on the Beast. I was scared because I applied the brakes and everything started to shake, and I thought like, okay, is my wheel is not having the screws in? What's really happening? I was quite scared. I was not experienced. So in case something like that happening to you when you are applying brakes, I'm not saying 100%, like be careful, but if you apply brakes and your front fenders are starting to shake, your rotors are twisted. Now, how it is possible to fix it? Two ways. One, guaranteed. Second one, not will work, but you can try. First one, I would not change it. You saw me changing it for the same rotors. I would not do that. We do not have them here in Bratislava when it's the main headquarters of the tourson3.com. We need to fix it immediately because this bike is going away. So we have used OEM rotors that I have from the bike that I'm just rebuilding, okay? On that bike, I have put high-performance floating rotors. And that would be the same thing I would put on this bike. Why? Because first time we will hit Alps or Dolomites and we will apply brakes, we will again twist those rotors. With heavier bikes like F3 Limited, with RTs, it's even worse. Like you will twist those rotors and they are gone. So investing into high-performance floating rotors will help you. Because of the tariffs and because of everything, if you're from US and you would like to have high-performance floating rotors that they will never twist, they give you much consistent performance and high performance, write me to martinthevlogger@gmail.com. I will explain you everything, how you can get it for, well, we will do something about tariffs, as it is of 2026 right now. Now, what's possibility, and does the EBC rotors help you? Well, not. EBC rotor is the same rotor as a stock Chinese Brembo rotor. They do give you a little bit better cooling, but it's the same shit, different day. What is the alternative solution in case your rotor is not super big twisted? I mean, if your fenders are trying to fly away, it will not work. If there is only twisted, so you can feel the vibrations in your handlebars, You can try to narrow the rotors by applying the brakes gently for 1,000 miles or 2,000 kilometers, gently, and maybe you will be able to narrow them a little. It happened to me, but you need to be really like consistent, and you can save those rotors, but it's a special condition. Like, they cannot be super twisted. Guys, maybe this video has helped you. In case yes, don't forget to subscribe, like, and have the notifications on, because every time we make a video, you will be notified. There is a little alert or a little bell, and it tells you, hey, Martin has released a new video. Guys, thank you very much for watching, and remember, don't twist your rotors, or in case you want to prevent it, buy high performance floating rotors, and always have fun.